If you have piping on the side of your stack, you need to consider the weight and the wind area of said piping. To access the piping, go to the attachments and select piping. Before we proceed, please note that this is not a piping analysis or any kind of thermal expansion calculation. This is for accounting the weight and wind area. To begin, you will need to add a row. You can do that with the options below. This plus button will add a new row for you to insert your info. Description is used to name or describe your piping. Here you can enter your top and bottom elevations. The top elevation should never be higher than the stack itself, while the bottom elevation should never be lower than the bottom of the stack. The quantity determines how many pipes are used in this entry. You can select your nominal diameter of your pipe from a drop-down list. You also have a drop-down list for schedule. The actual outer diameter of the pipe will change automatically based on the nominal diameter selected. Pipe thickness is the thickness of the pipes. This is automatically filled based on the nominal diameter and schedule selected. Insulation thickness is thickness of external insulation on the pipe, which is used to calculate weight and wind area. If there is no insulation, then specify 0. Insulation density should include the density of the insulation itself as well as any extra that might be needed to account for jacketing. The shape factor is automatically calculated and rarely changed, but if you can justify changing, then click the Override Shape Factor. Uniform weight is the total weight per unit length for the pipe and insulation, and this is automatically calculated. Wind area is the wind area per unit length, and it is also calculated based upon the pipe and insulation dimensions entered. If you click Save and return to your 3D model, you will not see any difference visually because the piping is not represented in the graphics. If you perform analysis, you will see the piping parameters included in the calculation report. Perform an analysis, then navigate to Stack Wind Area Summary. We can find our piping information here.